Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a vitamin C capsule. To begin, simply take one capsule with a full glass of water. It's important to swallow the capsule whole, without chewing or crushing it, to ensure proper absorption. Always refer to the specific dosage instructions provided on your product's label for the best results and to ensure you're taking the correct amount. For most adults, a common daily dosage ranges from 500 milligrams to 1,000 milligrams. Taking your vitamin C capsule with a meal can often enhance its absorption and reduce the chance of stomach upset. However, individual needs vary, so it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice on the optimal dosage and timing for you. Proper storage is key to maintaining the potency of your vitamin C capsules. Always keep them in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight and excessive heat. Make sure the bottle is tightly closed after each use to prevent moisture from degrading the capsules. And as with all supplements, store them safely out of the reach of children and pets. Consistent daily use of your vitamin C capsule is crucial for experiencing its full benefits. This essential antioxidant plays a vital role in supporting your immune system and promoting healthy skin. Regular intake also helps maintain healthy collagen production, contributing to overall wellness. Make it a part of your daily routine for the best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.